Everything you need is in there.
I hope you're right.
Most content creators don't even know that Google has a hidden powerhouse called Google Vids. Today, I will show you how to use the new VEO 3.1 model in Google Vids to create cinematic scenes and product art in seconds. Let's dive in. How do we access this powerful AI tool by Google that most people don't even know that it exists? I am talking about Google Vids. Google Vids, you go to Google, say Google Vids, VIDX. You click on it. Okay, you can click on this. You click on this Google Vids. You can see now. It comes with this interface. And because I've already registered with, I already have my Gmail account and I'm using Chrome browser. I go to the right hand side. You scroll down, you can see it here. You will see it, Vids, VIDX. You click on it. Yeah, you click on it. Okay, we have various aspect ratio here. We have landscape, we have portrait. If you want to create the video in portrait, we have square, but most importantly, we are talking about VEO 3.1. It is a new update from Google. You can now use it in Google Vids. It's not only in Google Flow or any other AI platform, Google AI platform. You can access it using Google Vids. You can see here now, you want to use landscape, it's available. You want to use portrait, it's also available. But if you want to use square, it's not available. Okay, and you can also decide to click on blank vid, but because the purpose of this tutorial is to understand how to use Google Vids VEO 3.1. You can see that it's now VEO 3.1. We have it in Google Vids. So if you're exhausted in other area, other AI platform, you can come and click it. You can come to Google Vids and see how you can use it to generate video. You can see by the right hand side here, you can see all the tools available. You can use it. Okay, you can see now. You can click on this create from scratch, animate an image. You can either animate an image or you click on create from scratch. Okay, I can say, okay, a 3D Pixar cartoon of a family on picnic. Okay, a 3D Pixar cartoon, a 3D Pixar cartoon of a family on picnic. Okay, let's see. Let's generate and let's see what they give to us. Okay, I think the video is done now. But before that, you can see the word here, landscape. You click on the word landscape. It changes the aspect ratio. You can also choose a portrait. Also, okay,
and then the bear.
Ready now. Let's click on it now.
And then the bear realized he left the honey at home. Can you believe it?
Okay.
And then the bear realized he left the honey at home. Can you believe it?
Okay, you click on
and
insert,
then the bear,
and it comes out to the timeline. So Google Vids also give you opportunity to be able to edit your video using Google Vids. You can edit your video. You will not only be able to create cinematic whatsoever cartoon style content you want to create, it will also enable you to edit your video. You can see now. Let's play and let's see proper.
And then the bear realized he left the honey at home. Can you believe it?
Okay, this means that if you have a script, you can create a prompt with a dialogue. So that they can have the discussion. You can really tell a story using Google Vids. So we are just trying to walk through and see how we can be able to use Google Vids effectively. And you can also click on voiceover. You can see here. You can see the voiceover here. You can click on voiceover and it will automatically come to the timeline here just as the video. When I click here, let me click on voiceover. I click on voiceover. Okay, I need to write a script. And when the script is done, I can bring it here. I can bring it. It will come under here. So I'm not using voiceover. I'm just creating something out of it. Okay, something out of Google Vids so that we understand how to use Google Vids. You can download. Come to file here. This is a file. You click on file. You can see download and download in whatsoever format that you want to download. Okay, that is that. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now, okay, we have the download there. Let us click on the download and see proper and see what it gives to us.
And then the bear realized he left the honey at home.
Okay, you can see how clear it is.
Can you believe it?
You can see how clear it is. You can see how clear it is. Okay, let me go ahead and click on VEO also generate. Okay, I have this. I can decide to remove this one. I want to remove this. Okay, let's see. I can decide to remove this and delete. Okay, click on add new scene. I go to VEO. Okay, and say what can I create out of it? So I just created from scratch. Okay, you can also animate an image. Yeah, you can animate an image. Let me click on animate an image. Then you can see the landscape. If I want to choose a portrait, I can choose a portrait. But I'm using landscape now. So I want to add an image, a product for a product advert. Okay, yeah, we have several products here. What kind of product am I going to use for the product ads now? Let me use this canned drink. I click on this canned drink. Yeah. Okay, you can say a product ads of the canned drink. Okay, a product ads of the canned drink. Okay, let me just go ahead. Let me go ahead and generate. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, you can see now. However, it has a limit also. Okay, I have the product ad now. Okay, let me click on it and see what it gives to us. That is it. That is just it. Let me insert it now. Insert it. And let's see what it gives to us. Okay, let's play again. That is just it. That is just simple. It's just simple. Just simple and just easy to use. If you want to add a voiceover, just click on this voiceover, or you want to record a statement, no problem. You can just click on it. You want to add a caption, but the focus is that there is an AI tool that also provide a free video generation, which is Google Vids. Google Vids has VEO 3.1, just like other some other Google AI tools. Okay, we have this. Want to download this? Okay, let's open it and let's see what it gives to us now. You can see now. You can see how clear it is and how realistic it is. You can create whatsoever you want to create. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let's delete this again. Let's see, let's go. I know it has a limitation, but with time you can just create whatsoever you want to create. You can say, okay, you can just delete this, clear prompt. You can say create from scratch. You can say a cinematic scene of a movie. Let's say of a movie if it has. Okay, generate.
Everything you need is in there.
Okay, we have it now. Let's see. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, this is it.
Everything you need is in there.
I hope you're right.
Okay, this is it. Let's download this. MP4. Yeah. We are going to download this.
Everything you need is in there.
I hope you're right.
Everything you need is in there.
Okay, that is it. Thank you very, very much for staying in this tutorial. I want you to also share and also subscribe. I want to believe that you've learned about a particular AI tool that can also generate clear video, realistic video, product ad, cartoon style video, aside from the popular AI tools that most people are using. Thank you very much. Be the best.